Hi everyone, this project is about how to move one project from one folder into another folder with the help of GitHub web-based editor. So what I'm going to do here is that I have one folder here, and inside that one I have one project which is called AI agent, and I want to move this project inside the machine learning folder, and I have another folder inside that one which is AI agents, and I want to move it here. So what I'm going to do here is that if I just come here, okay, here, and press the dot from the keyboard. So when you press the dot, it opens the GitHub web-based editor automatically. At this moment it's loading. Now it's fully loaded. So if I just drop down it, I can see it. I have the agent folder here, and I want to move this folder inside the AI agent here. I want to paste it here. So what do I need to do is that just drag it from here, and put inside this one. It says move. Now it has moved this one here. I can see here. So the last step is you can see this one. It looks like the green. It is the green, yeah. So you just need to, at the end, you just need to come here, okay, and then commit all the changes. So I'm saying move project to AI agent folder. This is commit you have to enter here, okay, and then just add all of them into the stage, okay, and commit push. That's done. So if I move to my GitHub now after making these changes, if I just go here now, let's see, let me open it. Can I see? Yes, the full project is here. You can see here. If I just go back to see the other folder, okay, and now you can see that it has moved from here to the other folder. One more thing I can do here is that now I don't need this one because it's empty. What I'm going to do is that delete it permanently, okay. One changes are here. I will say delete AI agent folder, okay, stage it, commit it, now delete it. If I just refresh it, I can't see it. If I just come back here, okay, now you can see I have deleted that one with the help of our GitHub web-based editor. Thank you so much.